Good morning. Welcome to Miss Castle's Friends. I know I'm probably going to do number corner calendar a little bit different than her, but just bear with us and we will get through it. So today we have a helper from Mrs. Winiger's class, Amanda Butler, and Antonio from Miss Castle's class. Those will be our two helpers today. Let's start with our 12 months of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, 12 months of the year. And if you were watching, I clapped on April. April is our month. A-P-R-I-L. Then we'll do our 7 days of the week. Are my legs in the way? Okay. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Okay, let's count our numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What's going to come after 7? 8. In Miss Castle's class, I don't think you've seen the new April calendar. So this month we are learning about measurements. So our pattern goes measuring length, weight, capacity, how much something will hold, temperature. So then it went back to length, weight, capacity. So the next one for today on 8 will be temperature. So it is showing a thermometer outside, and it's a mama bird feeding her baby birds a worm. And the way this pattern is going, when we first saw temperature, they were measuring how cold something is. Today, it is just telling us something is warm. So if I look at 8 and I go up, I know today is Wednesday, April 8th, 2020. And then we are collecting data from our cards of the measurement. So we're going to come over here, things in our house, is the thermometer measuring length, temperature, weight, or capacity. It's measuring temperature. And Mrs. Winiger's class, I knew as I was writing this the other day, I did not write thermometer right, so I changed it. Let me get my marker. So today on April 8th, we're still using a thermometer. That is how we are measuring the temperature. And it is measuring warm. Okay. The next thing we've been doing with Number Corner is collecting data on frogs and toads. In the Google Classroom, I will send a link to Miss Castle's class so that you can have a graph with us. So just before we always do Number Corner, you should get your graph. And my class has already been collecting data, so you will just have to catch up with us, okay? So I have a spinner, and on the top is a green frog, on the bottom is a brown toad. So I flick my spinner, and it landed on toad. So then I take a toad card and I put it in our collection pocket for this week. We already did last week, we're on this week. So then I'm gonna go over to my graph, and with a brown crayon, I'm gonna color in another box on the graph. So now I know in April we've had 2 frog days and 3 toads. When we get to tomorrow, we will work on an equation with it. And I will also send Ms. Costo's class the link to that paper. See you tomorrow.